Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. First things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 1 High OG Gem Red. Welcome to the Av. Okay, so looking at the box, you have the all-black box. On the top, you got the large Nike logo. Typical Jordan 1 box, man. So we can skip through that. You hear me? So looking at the tag, what we have, the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in black, gem red, white, and sail. Now, these released June the 29th. A lot of people getting them early right now, so I can imagine they'll sit just off of that alone. You know, but I could be wrong. So here it is, the Air Jordan 1 High OG Gem Red. Now me personally, I'm a fan of the color. But it's just something about these, man. It's just not doing it for me. So before we go any further, man, let me know in the comments how y'all feel about these joints, man. Let me know if you feeling these, easy pass, easy cop, whatever the case is, man. Now again, like I said, well, you see these red strings in there. They don't come in the shoe. They come bagged separately. But I put one in the shoe, so give y'all a look at it, man. You know what I'm saying? So let's take a look around the shoe, man. Now under the bottom, you got the all black outsole. You got sail running all around the foot. What is it? The midsole or whatever they call it. Here's a look at the back. See that shiny leather on the back. Here's your medial side. Here's your front. Top of the toe box, and there's your tongue. See, you got the white patch with the red Nike Air. I mean, I think it's nice, man. Now looking at the other shoe, everything is the same, man. Except this one comes with the strings on it. You see, you got the red strings that come in the bag. No branding on the bag. Here's a look at the front. Top of the toe box. Here's your tongue. Give you a closer look at the tongue. There it is. I mean, it's pretty simple, man. I mean, it's nothing big to me. Here's a look at your medial side. Take it to the back. And that's a wrap. You hear me? Now, these come with the inserts on the inside of it. I don't know why I'm showing y'all this, but it is what it is, man. You see, you got the Jumpman on the insert. Now on the inside, you got the all black insole with the red Nike Air. See that? Other than that, man, I mean, it is what it is, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these, man. Let me know if y'all feeling these or not. Me, I think they're just okay. Nothing to go crazy about. I can imagine these won't hold much value. They might even sit. But again, it's an Air Force One, Air Force One. That's what it looked like to me. It's an Air Jordan 1 High OG, so you never know. Might sell out. Who knows? I don't know why everybody goes so crazy behind this uncomfortable shoe, but it is what it is, man. To each his own, man. You cop what you like. I ain't knocking it. You feel me? But again, now these release June the 29th. There's a look at that tumble leather on the swoosh. You can see you have the shiny leather on the back and on the front. There's a look at it. Kind of like a glossy leather. See that sail running all around the shoe. There's your Wings logo. I mean, what y'all think about it, man? You feel like this is something you have to add to your collection? So the easy pass, the easy cop? Let me know what's out. Anyway, I ain't doing no on foot, so y'all make sure y'all go ahead and follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv504. Subscribe to this channel, and I'ma holler back.